Hey everyone, and welcome back to Social Diva. Um, actually got claimed the to get a real earpods because I had a fake one before, which cost me $3. So this on the site claim reflect game tickets. If you don't know what I mean, is that there is like an arcade game where you can like win tickets and then you put it into a card, so then you accumulate tickets, and then after that you can like claim prizes. So it's a little bit like, so this part is a bit like an unboxing video. I'm trying to open it. And like usually when you go to the Apple shop, this actually costs like a lot of money. Yes. Oh, but there's like no charger of it. Oh no, never mind. Actually have a charger of it. I have a charger. And open it, and now I don't need to buy a new charger. And well, unwrap this. It feels so smooth. Press the button. It's not charged yet, but it's like so smooth compared to the fake Apple ones. But yeah, so we'll charge it up, and we'll see tomorrow when I'd be able to use it in a new like one of the videos for you guys to see.